Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcomes you to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech guys. In our previous tutorial, we have made this drawing. So guys, today we will understand the copy command. How can we copy of any object in our AutoCAD? So guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, we can enable the enable the copy command just by going into the modify command bar, and you can select the copy command from here. Once I selected the copy command, this is asking for the select object. Then I have selected the object like this. Once I select the object, I pressed space, and now this is asking for the base point. What would be the base point of the object? So I have give this is as a base point. Once I clicked here, now I can take this anywhere where I wanna get the copy of this. So guys, this is the way how can we copy any object in AutoCAD. We can directly, this is okay guys, we can directly get the copy command just by using CO. In our command bar, we have entered CO, then space. Now copy command has been enabled, and this is asking for the select object, and I have selected this one. Now that's okay. Then press space. Now this is asking for the base point. I have clicked here, and now we can put it anywhere. I hope you understand the copy command. And guys, if you understand, if you like the video, please like and share the video, and please don't subscribe to my channel, and please give a valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you for clicking.